Nigeria is on the verge of a major technological breakthrough as the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure (NASENI) confirms that the country's first made-in-Nigeria helicopter is nearing completion and will soon take its maiden flight. NASENI's Aeronautics and Air Vehicle Development Institute made this revelation during a focus group engagement in Kaduna, where they highlighted the progress of the indigenous aircraft dubbed the Nigerian Chopper. The engagement session brought together industry leaders, manufacturers, government officials, and academics to discuss Nigeria's technological future and the role of local innovation in industrial growth. They further explained that NASENI had also acquired aircraft components in semi-knockdown and complete knockdown forms from advanced nations, which are now being assembled and modified using local expertise. Head of the Manufacturing Service Department at NASENI's Hydraulic Equipment Development Institute, Kano, emphasized the agency's renewed commitment to commercialization, collaboration, and innovation under its current leadership. NASENI noted that its goal is to develop homegrown technology that reduces Nigerians' reliance on foreign products. Many of its innovations are already being deployed across various sectors in the country. It is important to stress that national development depends on patronizing homegrown solutions. Innovations and modern technology are key to improving the acceptance of Nigerian products. Recall that in 2021, NASENI and Dynali, a Belgian firm, entered into a partnership to build capacity and transfer technology towards rotary wing maintenance, assembly, and manufacturing in Nigeria. The plan was backed by the federal government of Nigeria at the time to produce helicopters locally. Besides, NASENI as the agency saddled with the responsibility of fast-tracking home-initiated industrialization, at the time placed an order for a Dynali H3 Easy Flyer Sport ultralight helicopter for the purpose of reverse engineering. The helicopter, developed entirely within Nigeria, marks a significant milestone in Nigeria's push for indigenous technological advancement. Recall that as far back as 2022, the National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure relocated its first made-in-Nigerian helicopter development project to the Air Force Institute of Technology, Kaduna. The then president had directed the relocation of the project from NASENI's site in Abuja to the Air Force Institute of Technology, Kaduna. The relocation of the project to the Air Force Institute of Technology was to collaborate with the Nigerian Air Force to fast-track production of the indigenous helicopter and provide the agency with necessary resources needed. There is no better environment and expertise for the development of an indigenous aircraft other than the Air Force Institute of Technology. Nigeria, the largest economy in Africa, has long rallied on foreign manufactured aircraft for its aviation industry. However, with the recent advancement in local manufacturing and technological development, the possibility of producing helicopters within Nigeria is becoming increasingly viable. The production of helicopters locally will not only revolutionize the country's aviation industry, but also have profound economic, security, and infrastructural implications. If properly implemented, this initiative could transform Nigeria into an aerospace hub in Africa, reduce dependence on foreign imports, and create new opportunities for technological growth and development. One of the most significant benefits of the Nigerian-made helicopters is the economic impact. Helicopter production requires a robust industrial base, skilled labor, and local supply chains, all of which contribute to national economic growth. Also, the establishment of Nigeria's helicopter manufacturing plant has led to the creation of thousands of direct and indirect jobs. Engineers, technicians, assembly line workers, and administrative staffs have all been gainfully employed in the Air Force Institute of Technology. Furthermore, industries such as metal fabrication, electronics, and composite materials are thriving due to the increased demand for components used in helicopter production. This initiative has also encouraged the development of aerospace engineering programs in Nigerian universities and technical institutions. With the right investment in education, Nigeria could produce a new generation of aeronautical engineers and technicians, reducing the need to rely on expatriate expertise. Nigeria's helicopter manufacturing initiative aligns with Nigeria's broader vision of technological self-sufficiency, reducing reliance on imported aircraft while strengthening its aviation industry. The successful launch of these helicopters will not only enhance the country's industrial capabilities, but also position Nigeria as a leader in aerospace manufacturing within Africa. Once Nigeria successfully manufactures and tests these helicopters, the country could export them to other African countries, strengthening regional trade partnerships with many. The National Agency for Science and Engineering Infrastructure is advancing Nigeria's aerospace capabilities by developing the country's first indigenous helicopter. This initiative combines local innovation with strategic utilization of imported components. Naseni's Aeronautic and Air Vehicle Development Institute in Kaduna is spearheading the project, focusing on both the indigenous helicopter and unmanned aerial vehicle. The agency emphasizes leveraging existing scientific and engineering knowledge to drive this development. To accelerate progress, Naseni has incorporated semi-knockdown and complete knockdown components sourced from developed countries. This strategy allows for the assembly and modification of these components using local expertise, facilitating technology transfer and capacity building. Currently, the helicopter project is nearing completion, with plans for an inaugural test flight in the near future. This milestone signifies a significant step towards reducing Nigeria's reliance on foreign aerospace technologies and underscores Naseni's commitment to fostering indigenous innovation. Through this initiative, Naseni aims to position Nigeria as a key player in the global aerospace industry, demonstrating the nation's growing engineering and technological capabilities. Please do well to drop your honest comment. Tell us what you think. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thank you.